This is Blueberra, Midnight Blue Metallic Porsche 911 from 1991. I love playing with words. Blue, Carrera, Blueberra. There are some less obvious details in the car, like the yellow bumper that refers to the racing Porsches from 70s. The customized wheels draw inspiration from the Porsche 934 Turbo RSR. Turbo fans on front and wider rear lips is something I love since I remember. There are too many sad, over-restored original cars. I want my car to be original in a different way. My love for design, textures, and combining materials led me to create a car that challenges convention and celebrates the beauty of originality. Unistic hypnotic shapes on the hood serve as a canvas, seamlessly integrating into the car's surface, enhancing its silhouette. Sneakers have many similarities with cars. I consider shoes as if they were cars wearing livery packs. Classic Adidas Stan Smiths and classic Porsche 911 is a perfect match. Both are iconic and simple in a good way. Like the 3 rows of perforations instead of the external 3 stripes on the shoes, or rear engine instead of putting it into the front of the car. Car, shoes, unism, paint, recycled materials. The unexpected marriage of these hypnotic forms with the recycled vintage Porsche upholstery fabrics and leather is uncommon. It's a testament to the synergy between automotive heritage and footwear design. This surprising fusion not only pays homage to recycling but also demonstrates the endless potential of creative possibilities. It's a true celebration of how the car's interior aesthetic seamlessly intertwine with the iconic appeal of classic Adidas Stan Smiths. I'm proud to call Łódź, Poland, my home, just as Stan Smith has his roots in Pasadena, California. It's a global connection that transcends borders, celebrating art, culture, and heritage. The shoes collection will find its home not far away, being exhibited at Rennsport Reunion, the Porsche gathering that takes place in California at Laguna Seca racetrack at the end of September 2023.